Have you ever wondered what your style is? In the vast universe of fashion, carving out a personal style is no small feat. It's a vibrant expression of who you are, an intimate reflection of your unique personality and individuality. Today, we're going to journey through a step-by-step guide, a roadmap if you will, designed to help you pinpoint and embrace your style. From understanding your preferences to inspiration hunting, experimentation, and finally, building your wardrobe. Ready to embark on this journey to discover your unique style? The first step to finding your style is understanding your preferences. When it comes to style, we all have our unique tastes and inclinations. These can be shaped by various factors, including our personal experiences, cultural backgrounds, and even our moods. Recognizing what you like and dislike in terms of clothing is crucial to developing your individual style. It's about knowing what makes you feel confident and comfortable, and what resonates with your personality. Now let's delve a little deeper. Think about the colors that you're drawn towards. Are you a fan of bold, vibrant hues, or do you prefer more subdued tones? Perhaps you love the classic elegance of black and white, or the earthy richness of browns and greens. Colors can evoke different emotions and create varying impressions. They are an essential part of your style equation. Next, consider the fabrics that you enjoy wearing. Do you like the softness of cotton, the sheen of silk, or the rugged texture of denim? Different materials not only feel different against your skin, but also drape differently on your body. They can add dimension to your outfits and define their overall look and feel. Moving on to fits, do you find yourself reaching for form-fitting pieces, or do you love the easy, breezy vibe of loose clothing? Some people prefer structured silhouettes that highlight their body shape, while others opt for relaxed fits that offer freedom of movement. Understanding your preferred fit can help you select pieces that flatter your body and make you feel your best. Remember, style is deeply personal. It's not about following trends blindly or mimicking someone else's wardrobe. It's about expressing who you are and what you stand for through your clothing choices. So, take some time to reflect on your preferences. Do you see any patterns or recurring themes? These could be clues to your inherent style. Remember, your personal preferences lay the foundation for your style. And with that understanding, you're one step closer to unlocking your unique fashion identity. Onwards to the next phase of our style journey. Now that you understand your preferences, it's time to seek inspiration. In the vast world of fashion, the sources of inspiration are nearly limitless. From the glossy pages of high-end fashion magazines to the accessible digital world of social media, inspiration is everywhere. Let's dive deeper into these sources and see where we can find that spark to ignite our style journey. Fashion magazines, whether print or digital, are a treasure trove of style inspiration. They showcase the latest trends, feature iconic style mavens, and present creative editorials that can act as a mood board for your own style. But remember, you don't have to replicate these looks verbatim. Instead, use them as a guide to understand what resonates with you. Then we have social media. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and even TikTok are brimming with fashion content. You can follow fashion influencers, designers, and stylists whose style you admire. Observe the colors, patterns, silhouettes, and combinations they use. Notice how they put together outfits and how they accessorize. These platforms are a goldmine of style ideas that you can adapt to suit your taste. But let's not forget about the world around us. The people we encounter daily, be it on the streets, at work, or even at family gatherings, can be a great source of inspiration. Everyone has their unique style, and observing these can help you understand what you like or don't like in an outfit. Remember, during this inspiration hunt, keep an open mind. Don't limit yourself to a particular style or trend. Explore different eras, cultures, and aesthetics. You never know where you might find elements that speak to your style. But here's the most crucial part. Don't get overwhelmed. You're not looking to copy someone else's style, but to find elements that resonate with your personal aesthetic. Take your time, gather ideas, and gradually, you'll start seeing a pattern, a sense of cohesion in your preferences. Keep in mind, inspiration is just the starting point, not the end goal. The real magic happens when you take these inspirations and mold them into your unique style. Stay tuned as we explore how to do just that in our upcoming segments. With your preferences and inspirations at hand, it's time to experiment. Now, the beauty of fashion lies in its endless possibilities. It's a vast canvas waiting for your brush strokes. You've identified what you like and what inspires you. It's time to mix and match, to try new combinations, to juggle elements until you find a harmony that feels just right. Think of your wardrobe as a toolbox. You've got your basics, your statement pieces, your accessories. All these elements can be combined in countless ways. Don't shy away from trying something new. Pair that bright floral skirt with a sleek leather jacket. Match those high-waist jeans with an oversized sweater. Step out of your comfort zone. You might surprise yourself. Accessories too can be a game changer. A simple scarf, a statement necklace, a quirky hat. These can transform an outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. They can add a touch of your personality, a sprinkle of your spirit. So, experiment with them. See how a belt can redefine a dress, how a pair of sunglasses can give a whole new vibe to your look. However, experimentation isn't just about trying different clothing combinations. It's also about self-reflection. It's about understanding how you feel in different outfits, how they align with your personality, your mood, your aspirations. Notice how certain styles make you feel confident, happy, empowered. These are clues, hints towards your unique style. Feedback can also be a helpful part of this process. Reach out to friends, family, or even fashion communities online. Share your experiments, ask for opinions. Remember, the goal isn't to please everyone, it's to find what resonates with you. So take feedback with a grain of salt. Use it as a tool to refine your style, not to define it. And most importantly, have fun. Fashion is a form of self-expression. It's a creative outlet. It's a way to tell the world who you are without saying a word. So enjoy this journey of self-discovery. Remember, finding your style is a journey, not a destination. Once you've experimented enough, it's time to build your wardrobe. This is an exciting phase, the point where you take your style from a concept to a lived reality. So, where do we start? First, it's essential to remember that building a wardrobe isn't a race. It's a journey. It's not about cramming your closet with as many pieces as possible. Instead, it's about carefully selecting items that reflect your personal style. It's about quality, not quantity. What do we mean by quality? This isn't just about the materials or the craftsmanship, although those are important. When we talk about quality, we're talking about how well a piece fits into your style. A quality piece is one that you can mix and match with other items in your wardrobe to create different looks. So, how do you find these quality pieces? This is where your experimentation and inspiration hunting come into play. You've already identified your style preferences and found inspiration. Now, you're looking for pieces that fit into this aesthetic. These can be statement pieces that stand out, or they can be more subtle pieces that work well with others. Remember, your wardrobe should be versatile. It should be able to cater to different occasions, from casual hangouts to formal events. This doesn't mean you need a completely different set of clothes for each occasion. Instead, think about how you can mix and match your pieces to create different looks. A simple change of accessories or a different pairing can completely transform an outfit. Investing in your wardrobe is an investment in yourself. It's an acknowledgement of your unique style and a commitment to expressing it. It's a way of saying, this is who I am, and I'm proud of it. And remember, your style will evolve over time. This is a good thing. It means you're growing, changing, and finding new ways to express yourself. So don't be afraid to revisit your wardrobe every now and then, to reassess and to make changes if needed. A well-curated wardrobe is a powerful tool in expressing your style. Finding your style is a personal and exciting journey. It's a path that takes you on a deep dive into your preferences, propelling you on an inspiration hunt, through experimentation, and eventually, to the building of your unique wardrobe. The key steps we've traversed offer a roadmap to your personal style. Remember, the first step is understanding your preferences. This is the foundation, the bedrock of your style. It's about identifying what you love, what speaks to you in color, pattern, fabric, and silhouette. Next, we embarked on the inspiration hunt. This is where you broadened your horizons, exploring the world of fashion for sparks that ignite your personal style flame. From fashion shows to street styles, from magazines to social media, the sources are endless. The third step, experimentation, is where you mixed and matched, tried and tested. It's where you stepped out of your comfort zone, daring to try new things, to find what resonates with your spirit. And finally, we arrived at building your wardrobe. This is where you curated a collection that reflects you, a wardrobe that is uniquely yours. But remember, style is not static, it is fluid, constantly evolving as you grow and change. Embrace this evolution. It's okay to change, to adapt, to try new things. It's okay to be you. Remember, style is not just about what you wear, but how you wear it. Be confident, be you. We hope you enjoyed this journey to discover your unique style. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. We'd love to see your support, and it helps us create more content like this for you. And don't forget to leave your comments below. We're really interested to hear about your style journey. What did you discover about your preferences? What inspired you? How did you experiment and what did you learn? And most importantly, how has your wardrobe evolved? Your insights not only inspire us but also our fashion-forward community. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more fashion insights. We've got a lot more style guides, tips, and tricks coming your way. So hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Stay stylish. Before we wrap things up, we'd like to introduce a new segment called Viewer Showcase. This is where we highlight some of our viewers who've shared their style journey with us. Your stories and experiences not only inspire us, but they also motivate and influence our entire community. This week we're featuring John from Toronto, who's managed to completely transform his wardrobe using the tips from our previous videos. Let's take a look at his before and after photos. Amazing, isn't it? If you've also made some exciting wardrobe changes, or if you've found a unique style that you're proud of, feel free to share it with us. You can send us your photos or stories through our email, which is in the description box below. Who knows, you might be our next featured viewer. Remember, style is a journey, and every journey has a story worth sharing. So, keep experimenting, keep evolving, and keep sharing your style journey with us. Thank you for being a part of our community. Stay stylish and see you in the next video.
Enjoyed the rush of the game? Now boost your style score. Like the video, comment your favorite tip, subscribe for more. Stay ahead in fashion, just as you do in sports. Until next time, keep winning.